Oh my God. This is it. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. There was the possibility of a van being available.
Yes.
And so then it became available, and then I scooped it up.
Nice, beautiful. Well, after a few months then.
Thank you.
I hope you're excited to get introduced to your new drifter van.
Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Oh my God, it's so perfect. And then this is where my little dog's gonna be. Oh.
And the seat lifts up, so it's not hard to get him in and out.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah, so it goes, like you were asking for, from the front,
Yes.
from the top. You need to be able to remove it, so I'll show you. It's on magnets.
Okay. Oh.
The crate is on magnets, so very easy to remove it, put it
Okay.
outside. Linda did a very custom pillow cushion for the dog.
It's so cute.
Really cute.
Oh, for my dog.
So you're gonna have to take a photo of the dog with this and send it to us.
Oh, I love it.
So the
my
dog will
God.
be part of the drifter family.
And there's my desk.
You have the first one, you choose the height, so you can use it standing up. If you can use one or two. I don't know if you have a laptop or if you have a monitor with...
I have both.
so whether you use the monitor and
Yep.
just the keyboard,
Uh-huh.
but... And if you want to use it standing up, you just have to remove the
Move
dog crate,
that.
either you put it outside or put it there,
Yep.
and you can use it standing up.
Perfect. Or I can even put, does this fit in there too, in that little space?
It doesn't, it would have to
doesn't-
be here, it doesn't fit
That's
inside
fine,
here.
that's fine, yeah. Perfect. And it's cut enough to where I can
Yes,
close
you can
the door?
close the door. We cut it and trimmed it because it was too long, you couldn't close the door, but now you can.
Yes, that's perfect.
So it's really hard.
Full hard. Yeah.
Okay. Oh my God, there's spices in there. Oh, I love it. Oh my God. I love it.
Ready for a little tour?
Yes.
So here you have a very long table, so you can use it from the three seats,
Okay.
3 benches.
Extra cooking space.
So here you have up your toilet.
Oh, there's the toilet.
Here, up. Open, that connects directly to the container.
Okay. Perfect.
You let me know what you think. Usually when we talk to customer a year later, what they all say is, I've never used the toilet.
They never use it?
No.
They never
They
use
always go when they go to the gym, they go to the bathroom, but they barely
Okay, well,
use the
interesting.
toilet. Yeah.
It's nice to have.
It's nice to have the option.
It's a lot to take in.
It's
don't
a
think
lot
it's
to
gonna
take in.
You don't think it's gonna take like be that much to take in, but it's a lot to take in. It's hard to just imagine you take an empty van
Yeah.
and turn it into this.
Yeah. No,
And I
for
know
sure.
it takes time, and there's so much effort and so much work, and you can see it. And I mean, the craftsmanship is amazing, but it's like, oh my God, it's real.
Yeah,
It's
no,
tangible
yeah,
now.
it's there.
It's not just
there.
like, oh yeah, let's talk about this. I want this.
Yeah.
I want that. Like I
It's
can
really nice.
touch it and feel it.
You can touch it. It's mine. I can touch it. It's mine. Okay, so when you want to put it back, it's usually pretty easy. It's not, you don't take the chance to break it, but when you remove it, make sure this is out before you do that.
Okay.
If you remove it and try to put it down before you take this out, you're gonna break the leg.
Okay. Appreciate it.
I'm glad you love it.
I love
And send us a photo of the dog with the color. And every time you go camp somewhere cool, feel free to send me a photo.
I will. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Valerie. Another member of the Drifter family. Another reveal that went very well. Great.